Okay. Okay. Yeah, the question, they make it look complicated, but they make a very long story.
Density is this. Is it helium?
Yeah, helium.
Wait, but why? Like, I just guess, like, because helium is the lightest.
Let me think. Yeah. No, it's not helium. Yeah.
I don't understand. Okay, can you explain?
Okay. This one, oxygen, air, yeah. 78% nitrogen. 21% oxygen. Then you have these small things here. Argon, yeah. Then you have a lot of other things. Yeah. Then that means if you remove this is air. If you remove the oxygen, yeah, then you have only nitrogen is very high, around 99.99%. Yeah. Then you have other gases. So this is called something atmospheric nitrogen. Means it's not pure. Then you have pure oxygen, but that time is a bit difficult to make. Now you can get a very pure nitrogen. Yeah. Mr is how much? 28. Correct. Density 1.2572.
How do you know that?
Is they give, see? They give.
Okay.
Mr 28 is from the periodic table. Yeah. Then this one, density here. 1.2572. Yeah. So this density is higher. What is your conclusion?
Oh, that
you have something that is heavier than nitrogen itself. That's why it's bigger. So you choose the one that is heavier?
So it's not helium, it's not neon, and
You check.
is it methane? Is
CH4.
right? Yeah. Is it argon?
Yeah, argon. Argon. So argon is good. Argon is 1%. And people get argon by fractional distillation of air. You get liquid nitrogen, liquid oxygen, then you get argon. Then the argon is used for something like bulb.
Oh.
Light bulb, and which does not have any much use now because people don't use light bulb anymore. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Then you have other things. Yeah. So that's argon. Yeah. Neon is for what? Neon is for fluorescent lamp.
Yeah. How does it work? Like, I know that they have the glass tube, then they fill it up
Mm,
with neon gas, right?
mm, mm.
Then the
Then they put high voltage. They make it high voltage inside.
uh-huh.
Then there will be spark. Uh, now it's LED lah. Now it's different. But last time yeah, the neon lamp. So you have spark here, and on the surface here, they have white surface. Then when the electron hit there, release light.
So it's not the electrical conductor is not the gas. No, right?
No.
Okay. So that
Yeah.
is like metal stuff inside that makes it spark.
The metal stuff is only at the two end here. Inside is gas.
Uh-huh. But how does it glow?
Then the electron, this one electron spark here, hit here and there.
But how come it can do that?
They just adjust everywhere. No? Then point this way, point that way, point this way.
Then what's the point of the neon gas?
The neon gas is to make it inert. Without the neon gas,
Mm-hmm.
it will react with oxygen or nitrogen. Yeah. Nitrogen, if you want to prevent reaction, if you want to prevent reaction, you use nitrogen for the cheap one. You buy a packet of what do you call it? Crackers. They put nitrogen inside.
Oh.
Then they purposely put nitrogen, so that the oxygen content there is very, very low.
Mm-hmm.
Then the crackers or maybe some peanuts, then the peanuts will stay fresh longer because it won't react with the oxygen.
So in this case, you can fill the tube with nitrogen gas and it will
No. Nitrogen is inert at low temperature. That means if for low temperature until maybe 200, 300, so it's okay. At high temperature, then it break up. Then it can react. It's diatomic one. Can react and can have. Then if you at high temperature, you must use something else. You must use noble gas. Noble gas, which one is the cheapest? Argon. Because it's 1% of the air. You do fractional distillation, you get argon. That's why it's used for light bulb.
Oh.
It's the cheapest.
Why don't neon lights just use argon instead?
They need a lighter one. Then they use neon.
I see.
Okay.
If I were to put nitrogen in a neon light bulb tube, right? And it's because the temperature is high, then what will happen? Because it will
The
react.
nitrogen react with the metal there. The metal get damaged quickly.
Oh. Okay, okay.
So if you want to prevent reaction at low temperature, choose the cheapest one, which is the nitrogen. High temperature, then no choice, argon. You know what's welding? Welding process?
Like melt the metal, right?
Melt the metal. So welding process is you have two pieces of metal. Then you use solder. Then the solder you melt, so then you melt in such a way that they join. Correct?
Mm-hmm.
The temperature confirmed very high. Then what will happen? The oxygen will react with the metal, then corrode quickly.
Oh.
That's the problem. How to prevent this? During the welding process, you spray with argon.
Done.
Yeah, can you spray with nitrogen?
No, because high
No.
temperature.
Yeah.
This is so cool.
Another thing. This is C. People dive. Use oxygen tank. Yeah, you dive there. Yeah.
Mhm.
Let's say 20 meter down or 15 meter. Yeah. By the way, you cannot just anyhow dive. Yeah, you must get license. Yeah. Is it 100% oxygen?
No, otherwise you'll die.
How many percent oxygen?
Maybe like 20?
20%.
So
Yeah,
20.
correct.
Oh, it's correct?
Why? Why 20%?
It's similar to
To
the
the atmosphere.
air.
Yeah. Because we get used to 30% oxygen. If we take too much, then we get sick. If we take too little, we get sick.
Wait, will you die from 100% oxygen? Or you just get sick?
You just get sick. For certain cases, if somebody faints, the doctor will prescribe 100% oxygen for a short while. For certain cases, but cannot be too long. Yeah.
But why? Is it because like too much oxygen, then like the blood cells cannot handle it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Then how about the 80%? Nitrogen?
Mm-hmm. No? Oh, is it because of the pressure?
The pressure is high because you're down there. Nitrogen cannot break up. Nitrogen cannot break up at the normal pressure here, but if it is high pressure there, the nitrogen might break up. Then you have Haber process. Then you produce ammonia inside.
Oh my god.
Inside you, then ammonia, then you produce. Oh, I produce ammonia here. So what you do?
Argon.
So argon have problem.
It's heavy.
It's heavy.
Neon.
They take the lightest.
Helium. Yeah, then they come after they're done diving, they get squeaky voices, is it?
Yeah. So this mixture here is called heliox. Yeah. You mix, then it's Then but helium is expensive. Not expensive, but the supply is limited. But no choice now. Otherwise, you cannot use the nitrogen. So It's quite common. Next time you want to buy some crackers, you check some of them, not everything, not everyone. Some of them they say is sprayed with the nitrogen, like they pump with nitrogen. Of course, after they pump with nitrogen, also still have oxygen, but it's the percentage is very low. Yeah.
Mhm.
Yes. So please do the rest. Oh, then tomorrow
Is
is
it?
six.
I did
Okay.
the MCQ. I think
Yeah.
I had some that I didn't know, but is there anything else I can do? Because like this week I'm super free. Then I scared that like later on it gets more busy. Like for science, all we're learning is uncertain. You know the uncertainty, the error, the random error.
Okay.